Hello everyone, and today I'll explain you how to set an iPhone ringtone on your Realme C67. So first of all, we need to get a ringtone. You can download it right from the internet, but it's even better if you already have it saved on your phone. So as I already said, I already downloaded and converted the file into the proper format, which is MP3. Now let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down to our sound and vibration tab. Here it is. Now we gotta scroll to the bottom until we'll find our phone ringtone. So choose this option. Now scroll to the bottom until you'll see your add ringtone. Tap here and open up your downloads or maybe your audio or whatever you have your file in. So choose the proper folder, and when you find it, simply tap on it, and now here let's find it on the list. So here it is. Now simply choose it. Alright, and press OK. After that, our new ringtone is enabled. So here is a couple additional tips for customizing your sound settings. In sound and vibration tab, check out your volume system. So here you can adjust your levels of your volume, and basically that's it. Remember, if the ringtone doesn't play, check the file. It might be damaged or has an unsupported format, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.